ohmathgad.
Welcome back everyone. In today's video we're going to be doing another problem to write the algebraic expression in order to represent a decrease of a quantity or a decrement. So let's begin. So guys, as you know from the last video that I'm going to be linking down below, there are three basic steps that you have to follow in order to write the algebraic expression in order to represent a situation where an amount is being decreased. The first one is that you're going to read the statement you want to express with an algebraic equation, and you have to be very careful that you have to identify if the amount is decreasing or increasing. If the amount is decreasing, you're going to be subtracting from that initial quantity that you have to take into account. So that total or initial value is going to be decreasing, right? You have to identify that and how often it is going to be decreasing, right? So the example we're going to be taking a look at says, a grain bin contains 686 cubic meters of corn kernels. Dustin loads trucks with corn kernels to sell. If each truck has a capacity of 8 cubic meters, write an expression to determine the amount of grain left after T number of trucks, right? So again, we have a decrease. Why do we have a decrease? Because we have a total amount of 686 cubic meters, right? And Dustin is taking away 8 cubic meters in trucks each time, right? So the amount is going to be decreasing by 8 each time. So again, guys, what we have to do is that we're going to identify what is the total amount or the initial amount, which in this case is 686 cubic meters, right? We're going to see how much it decreases. So in this case, it decreases by 8 cubic meters. And how often, right? So in this case, it decreases with each truck. Now, the first time we're gonna have, after the first truck, we're gonna have 8 times the first truck. After the second truck, we're gonna have -16, and so on. But because we are not being specified the number of trucks, we're just gonna call it T. The expression would be the initial or total amount minus, because it's decreasing, 8 times T. And that is how we're going to express it. So guys, we saw the initial amount being 686. We know that it decreases 8 cubic meters with each truck. So that means that after a T amount of truck, the amount left is going to be 686 minus 8 times T. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!